Is it worth it to try to build an online business in 2023? I know you might have doubts. You've been hearing about online businesses for years and now you might feel like it's too late for you to get in. Like the train already left the station and you were left behind. You've been hearing about dropshipping, Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, building social media marketing agencies, or even YouTube channels. It can feel like it's too late. You might also be fearing a big recession, which you're thinking will make everything incredibly difficult, or you might even be worried about things like the rise of AI and ChatGPT. Whatever it is, your fears and hesitations make sense. I felt the same way when I started out in 2018 with e-commerce. I felt I was already way behind all these people that I saw online. But I realized that the goalpost is always moving, and it's always moving forward. I saw that if I didn't get in and start the race, the longer it took me to start trying, the longer it would take me to have results. There's this famous Chinese proverb that everybody knows that says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So when I started out, I started with the mindset of catch up. I thought to myself, I'm just going to try whatever it is and catch up with the competition, even if it feels like I'm late. Then, once I'm at their level, I'll be able to start having results and winning. And if once I get there, what I was trying to accomplish is no longer viable, I'll just jump to something else. But at least then, I'll be at a good level to move forward. But right now, it's not about winning. It's about getting to the basic lower level. Because if you haven't started, I would say you're not actually at zero. You're at negative something. At least that's how I saw it. So for the first few months, I was just pouring my money into learning and experimenting. The thing to keep in mind is that even though you might be behind, you still can learn from those who already made it and make huge leaps of progress. One key thing for this is mentors. If you can find someone who'll sit down with you and teach you the way, that will make you move faster than anything else you can imagine. And there's nothing wrong with paying for those. I've done that in the past too. Just make sure they're legit and they actually know what they're talking about. Verify their track record, and sometimes you can get mentors that don't advertise themselves as mentors, either through developing a friendship with them or just asking how much it would cost for them to help you. You can arrange any kind of deal you want. Another thing that will help you make it work, even if it feels too late, is to have a clear plan and know the steps you need to take. This usually takes the form of courses. Now, I do think that most courses out there nowadays are bad or outdated, but from time to time there are actually some good ones that can help you. So in recap and short answer, yes, 2023 is a good time to start. It's always a good day to start, even if it's a bad day, because starting on a bad day is better than not starting on a good day.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.